Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Some of y'all probably like. Today I will be making. Here is my ingredients. I have my yellow box cake, 2 sticks of butter. However, I only have 1 stick. So what I'm going to use as well is some of my vegetable oil. I'm going to be using some ground cinnamon, a little salt to pound it off. 4 of my medium-sized eggs. If you have large, I think you only need like 2 large eggs. I just have some baking joy. Make sure it don't stick to my pan. For my cream cheese, I have the brown sugar and cinnamon. Now this is 8 ounces. If you don't have this kind, can't find this kind, just use regular cream cheese, use the powdered sugar and then use some regular ground cinnamon. And you got this. And I'm just going to top it off with my white chocolate sauce. And instead of powdered sugar, I'm going to be using my sweet condensed milk. That's about it, y'all. I'm going to get started. I have my box of cake mix. I'm just going to pour it inside. Crack the 2 medium-sized eggs. Make sure they're room temperature. Sprinkle some of my cinnamon. I browned the butter. If you see me in a couple of videos, when I brown the butter, when I tell you it smells so good. This is close to half inside this batter. And use another half of vegetable oil. And I'm just going to mix this. It's going to be okay. I done mixed it up. So now I'm going to put the batter inside of this pan. Now it's supposed to be actually wider than this. However, I don't have one unless I buy a aluminum one. And yeah, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm not able to do that till tomorrow, and I want this right now. And what I'm gonna do is spray it, so I don't want this to stick. If you have parchment paper, or either if you use butter, I feel like you just use oil too. You ain't going with me either. You can get right enough. I gotta go to work. You gotta get dropped off to daycare. You gonna get right in there with the other kids. Alright, so I'm putting this to the side. And I'm gonna start making my ooey gooey part. And I'm gonna empty the cream cheese, all of it inside. Okay, now I have the sweet condensed milk. Now this is actually 14 ounces. The cream cheese is 8 ounces, so know what I'm going to do to make it equivalent to 8 ounces, so that I don't want to use this whole milk. So I'm going to use this cream cheese as a guide, and I'm going to pour my sweet condensed milk inside of here so it can equal the 8 ounces. Take the rest of my brown butter and pour it inside. Now before I put it in the egg, I'm going to stir it around and taste it first and see if I need to add salt. Because like I said, with that butter, it got a little bit salt, but I don't want it to be too sweet. That's good. I think I tasted a pinch of salt with that, so I might not need no salt. I'm going to add additional cinnamon. That's a little bit more. And so this is 1 medium egg I'm going to put in here. Alright, the egg. Take this again and just put this on top of it now. I have my oven set to 350. Now I'll let you know how long it cooked. It's been cooking for 55 minutes, and then I turned this oven off and I kept it an additional 5 minutes. So really a total of 55 minutes. If you want to take it out, you can, but like I said, I just left it in the oven just to, secure. So it looks good, but before I take it out and start cutting in it, you want to let it cool, and then I'll get back to you. Lord's will. Okay, I had that cooling for about 10 minutes. First, I'm going to put on my white chocolate. You can't really see it as much. And I'm going to put a little bit of my cinnamon on top. I don't know, I keep thinking that this is white sauce. Yeah, it would show good with the ground cinnamon, but yeah, the sauce is not white, so I'm just praying that everything come out okay. I can't really really tell I did much to it. I'm just gonna let it cool for an additional 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna cut into it. I'll get back at you, Loris will. It's been about 5.5 hours. I recommend that you probably like to let the flavors marinate and everything like that. Eat it overnight, like, you know, the next day. I'm not gonna do that. I went it today, but I did let it rest for about 5.5 hours. So that's good enough, y'all. So I'm gonna take it and attempt to flip it over. Alright, I'm gonna try to flip it over again. Smells good though. Kind of like chip just now, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. Alright, now I'm gonna take it. Pen was kind of like you know, like a little small. So I'm just gonna cut it like, you know, just one way instead of 3 ways. Still try to take it. Okay. I don't know if I can really call them bars. Let me know. I do see a ooey part inside of it, but I don't know if I can call these really bars, like the ones. Well, a little bit, because the middle, like half bars. It don't matter. Still gonna get 8. Still good. You still need to follow this recipe. Okay. It's looking like sound like a less of a bar and more like a loaf, a ooey gooey loaf, or something. Okay. My first time, but it smells good though. I know that much. No, but this one got more of the ooey gooey part. I don't know if you can really call it ooey gooey, but it's more of the cinnamon, the cream cheese. You can tell it's cream cheese, but it's sweetened, and the cinnamon on there is so good. It's so good. It's like a cinnamon brookie, a cinnamon bun brookie. So good, yeah. Oh my goodness. Woo! What you say now?